Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sahi Arts. Today in this video I'll be going to show you that how you can create a perfect dot mandala using all these available things at home. Like you don't need those dotting tools to create a dot mandala. You can just grab on these simple things which are easily available to us and start drawing your mandala. Like I'll be using here this this red gel pen and this pencil, back of the painting brush and a toothpick. I'll be using both sides of the toothpick. So they are perfect to give us different sizes dots. Like gel pen, I'll be using gel pen for the biggest size dot, then pencil for the smaller one, and the back of the painting brush for even a smaller dot, and the both sides of the toothpick I'll be using the sharpest side for the smallest dot and the other side for a bigger dot than the smallest dot. So the thing you have to keep in your mind while using these tools, that if you want the same size dots throughout your mandala, you just need to put your tool every time into the color. After putting each dot on the paper, like I am doing this right now, I am putting the back of the painting brush every time into the color after putting each of my dot on the paper, and this is giving me even size dots. And if you want the size of your dots to get decrease as you go by on the paper, you just need to put your tool one time into the color and then just move the tool on the paper, and the size of the dots will get decrease as you move the tool on the paper. So these are the two techniques which we can use to draw a mandala. There are also more designs, but I'll be using these two techniques for drawing today's mandala. So I hope you like the video. So without any delay, let's get started.